This is what really happens inside giant factories. When pressure builds too fast, things go wrong. Some fruits can't handle industrial speed. This is where explosions begin. Pressure, heat, and force collide. Juice spreads across the system. This creates instant contamination risk.
Machines must stop immediately.
Workers rush to assess the damage.
Sticky juice damages sensors. Even advanced machines struggle.
Cleaning must start immediately.
This process takes hours.
Production losses grow quickly.
The velocity was too high for the density setting.
Yes, the shear force prediction matches the splatter pattern.
We need to adjust the pre-process timing by 10 milliseconds.
Oversized fruits are often the problem.
Pressure settings must be precise. Too much force, and fruits burst. This happens more often than you think. One delay causes chain reactions. High-speed factories leave no margin.
Managers must decide instantly.
Every part must be checked.
One missed spot causes repeat failure.
The calibration is complete. We've increased the throughput by 15%. Excellent. The new parameters are holding steady.
But risks never disappear. Once restarted, tension fills the factory.
Workers stay alert for unusual sounds.
Even a small vibration is dangerous. Cameras monitor every movement. High-speed belts increase the risk. One wrong angle can crush the fruit. Pressure builds in seconds. And there, another explosion. Juice floods mechanical parts. This can destroy sensitive electronics.
Errors appear instantly on screens.
Alarms force another shutdown.
Downtime costs thousands of dollars. Cleaning starts again, immediately. Sticky residue hides in corners. This is why hygiene rules are extreme.
Factories log every single failure.
Data helps prevent future explosions. Fruit size limits are enforced. Only perfect fruits move forward. Damaged fruits are removed. Every step is double-checked.
Production slowly resumes.
But pressure never goes away. One mistake can repeat everything. This is the hidden risk of automation. Speed versus safety, always a battle. And the machines never stop watching.
Behind every explosion is a technical mistake.
Sometimes it's a sensor failure. Sometimes human error.
Ensure all machine guards are in place before operation. This is critical for preventing injuries and maintaining our safety record.
Experience saves millions.
Factories upgrade machines constantly. Stronger materials handle more pressure. Smart systems predict failures. Alerts trigger before disasters. Yet accidents still happen. Pressure spikes are unpredictable. One fruit can block an entire system. Chain reactions follow instantly. Backup systems try to compensate. Sometimes they fail too.
This is when damage spreads.
Maintenance teams rush in.
Protective gear is mandatory.
Safety comes before speed.
The data clearly indicates a procedural error at this junction of the assembly line.
I agree, but my review of the maintenance log.
New rules are introduced.
Speed limits are reduced. Pressure caps are added.
Automation gets smarter.
But perfection is impossible. Routes remain unpredictable. Nature meets machinery. And the risk returns. Every cycle tests the system. This is industrial reality. Factories operate under constant pressure. Every second matters.
Even a second of delay costs money.
Machines are pushed to their limits. Fruits are not engineered for this. This mismatch causes explosions.
The telemetry spiked right here, just before the breach.
Wait, so if we reroute the access controls, that stabilizes the auxiliary lines?
Exactly. That's the key takeaway.
Factories evolve after failures. Technology reduces, but never removes, risk. Perfection is impossible at this scale. Behind every juice bottle is hidden chaos.
Consumers never see this.
Diagnostic complete. All parameters nominal.
Confirmed. Sign here for Stage 2 clearance.
One mistake can still happen. Factories run day and night. Thousands of fruits pass every minute. Only a few cause disaster. But those few change everything.
Factories plan for failure.
Backup systems stand ready.
Teams train for worst cases.
Because failure is inevitable.
What matters is response speed.
Fast action limits damage.
And protects lives.
This is industrial responsibility.
Not just production.
But protection.
Next time you drink juice.
Remember what happens behind the scenes. Extreme pressure. Gigantic machines.
And unpredictable fruit.
This is how explosions happen. Inside modern factories.
And that's the reality of food manufacturing.